All right, if you're taking Algebra 1 next year, you're going to have to know how to do this kind of problem. So the problem says the water level in a tank is changing at a constant rate. The graph shows the relationship between time in hours, x, and the water level in meters, y. Complete the statement that describes the rate of change of the water level with respect to time. So this question is asking for rate of change, okay? And I know that rate of change is really just the same thing as slope, okay? So we're going to be looking for rise over run. Now, we can go ahead and answer the first part of the question. It says the water level blanks at a rate, and so that's just going to be decreases or increases. And if we look at our graph, as we go from left to right, we are decreasing. Okay, it starts at 9, and by the time we're over here, we're almost to 7. So that is decreasing. So we're going to write that. And then to find the slope, we just want to do rise over run. So let me zoom in just a little bit so you can see a little bit better. And so we're just going to start right at the y-intercept. And then I can also see that we're intersecting the corner of these squares right here as well. So I can use that point too. And so now we're just going to kind of make a right triangle. And so the rise is just going to be -1. We're going from 9 to 8, so we're decreasing by 1. Now looking at our run, going from left to right, we're starting at 0 and going to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 4. Okay, so if we put our rise over run, that would be -1 over 4. And so that would be our rate of change, aka our slope. Now, -1 over 4 is also going to be equal to -0.25, right? Because 0.25 is the same thing as 1 over 4. So the full answer to this question would be we are decreasing at a rate of 0.25 meters per hour.